Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute any community on your account on Reddit, easy and quick. First, click here, now click here, and you will find mute. Click on it, and click here, yes, mute, and that's it, it will be muted. And that's how to mute any community on your account on Reddit, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.